Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the magical world with the LEGO Harry Potter book Nook Hogwarts Express, a DIY kit and pretend play building set perfect for Harry Potter fans age 10 and up. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to grab this set at the best price available right now. Let's get into it. Build and design. This set offers a detailed miniature Hogwarts Express train with authentic details straight from the Harry Potter series. It's designed to fit perfectly inside a bookshelf or display nook, making it a charming decor piece as well as a fun build. The kit includes the iconic train engine, tracks, and a magical platform setting with great attention to detail. The build complexity is just right for kids 10 and older, and it provides a satisfying hands-on experience. Minifigures and accessories. Included are collectible Harry Potter and Friends minifigures, adding to the imaginative play possibilities. These figures come with wands and other accessories to bring your Hogwarts stories to life. Playability and display. The set works as both a display piece and a playset. Kids can recreate scenes from the beloved series or simply enjoy the building process. Its compact size and detailed look also make it a standout item for Harry Potter fans of all ages. Final thoughts. The LEGO Harry Potter book Nook Hogwarts Express is the perfect gift for young builders and Harry Potter enthusiasts. It blends creativity, storytelling, and display value in a magical package. Don't forget to check the link below to get this set at the best price available. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.